All right, the drink that we're about to make is called artillery. And we're going to start off with some ice in a glass here. And we're going to do 2 shots of gin. Here's our gin. And let's do 2 shots here. With nice pours. It comes out in squirts. That makes it more fun that way, I guess. All right, and we're going to do about a half a shot, or I'm sorry, just about 1.5 teaspoons of sweet vermouth. There we go. And follow that up with 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. Now we're going to mix this up real good. Make sure you shake it until you can't shake it anymore. We're going to get it nice and cold. And get it ready because we're going to be serving this in a martini glass. All right. So we've got our martini glass. And let's get a strainer. And here we go. Serving up an artillery. There we go. Bottoms up.